See, babe. Wow.
Hi everyone,
Kinika
Kinika.
Today we are back with another seafood platter and we are going to enjoy a lot. So before that, let's pray.
Okay.
Okay, let's enjoy.
Flavor check, baby.
Flavor check, please.
Prawn, baby.
Oh, not with rice?
Not with rice, prawn.
Okay.
Flavor check.
Check. Mmm.
Today I'm eating 2 rice, huh?
2 bowl of rice.
2 bowl of rice.
Somebody complained about me wearing gloves and eating. So today we didn't wear gloves.
Oh, an old seafood broil. I hope the person is watching our video today. See, we are not wearing any gloves.
Whatever you say, guys, we'll try to listen. And today's video is been sponsored by my sister-in-law, aka my best friend.
She just got back from cruise. Thank you so much, Emma.
She was watching our video when she was away and she really wanted to try. So she requested us to make this again. And she sponsored also.
Babe, you're so lucky, huh? All the time having seafood broil. So good.
You're enjoying, babe?
Yes.
I'm enjoying a lot. Pishi balwa banai si there. Thank you there.
Okay. Anytime.
Even my family are waiting in Nagaland.
Ooh, check out this.
This is so big, I cannot go. This is what I call, see, babe.
Wow.
Some crab, when we buy, it doesn't have meat.
Today's crab, there's plenty of meat, right?
I have my meat pickle also. You want to try?
No. Seafood is seafood.
Oh, all the cream came out. So good. Wow. So good. My viral style of eating.
Which seafood broil you prefer? This one or the other one I made?
Which one?
2
Last
seafood broil.
time.
Yeah, last time one or this one?
Both are equally good. Came out so nice this time also.
Oh, I forgot this. You gonna make seafood broil also in Nagaland? Crabs and all, crab and prawn too. But then you need to order them, right?
No, I think it's available in the fish market.
Okay. If I make seafood broil again, you'll eat in Nagaland?
Of course, why not? The seafood broil is to die for.
How come you became a seafood lover?
Because of you. You are cooking so nicely.
My God.
Did you try the corn?
Yeah. Oh, you're still stuck in plate number 1.
I have to try and eat this. I think I mashed the clothes too much. The bones are everywhere. I need to eat carefully.
Done.
Wow, so much of meat.
My God, look at you. Clean yourself.
Clean it for me. Thank you. There's so much of meat.
Oh wow, I got a nice meat one. See? Wow, see? Big chunk of meat.
We were thinking not to make seafood anymore because it's very messy and slow, no? And the video become very long, so
Especially seafood, it takes time to eat. You cannot eat right away. If you have prawn and octopus and squid, those are easy to eat. Crab, it takes time.
because even some of our subscribers was also saying the eating is a little bit slow and unsatisfying to watch. But we can't say no to our sister-in-law. I'm enjoying so much.
Next time if I make seafood, I need to hide all the crabs and all the prawns from you, since you started liking.
Where will you hide, baby?
Where? In my stomach. I'll finish it before you even know it.
Really?
Yeah.
You won't be able to, I know.
Who said?
You will keep for me extra.
The corn is a little bit small, no?
But the taste is so good.
Which one?
Corn, everything. In Nagaland, my mom used to say, no, when the food is so good, if somebody come and hit you from behind also, you will not look back.
Oh, that's a nice saying. So much of meat, huh?
My best friend is so lucky. We got a nice crab.
Plenty of meat.
All fresh.
You're done with your rice?
No, still there. You want more rice or what?
No, I'm done. Now I want to enjoy the crab. Is it spicy or not today's crab?
Okay. Seafood, if it's too spicy, we won't be able to eat because it will burn our lips, no? And it's so messy, see?
Which one do you like the best, the crab or the prawn?
Both. I can't choose. Half.
I have.
Put prawn and rice.
Rice, I don't
Try
have
myself.
rice.
Okay, I'll put mine. Come. You want some beef pickle?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
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 Okay, guys, so we are going to finish this slowly. We don't want to slow you down, so see you in our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.